Hello guys, in this tutorial we have to see this diagram which will be drawn on the Autodesk Inventor software. Let's get into the video. Before going to the drawing section, I just explain the diagram which will be displayed on the screen. This is the diagram where you have been drawn on the software. The horizontal length will be 200, the vertical length will be 150, the second vertical length will be 120. There are three more arcs involved in this diagram: radius 60, radius 40, radius 30. The interior cut will be look like an rectangle. The length will be 50, the height will be 20. The three more arcs fillets are ordered in this diagram. The arc radius will be 20 as considered as fillet radius. Let's get into the video. When you open the Autodesk Inventor software, the user interface looks like this. I choose part. Before going to draw, I just explain the sketch. This is the top view, this is the side view, this is the front view. I just sketch the top view of the section, this section only, off section only. Select 2D sketch, select the plane, top plane, then just zoom out, drag it using line tool. I just make one vertical line, then horizontal, then like this, then again one horizontal. I just complete the top view of the section, then take one circle again, just give like right click OK, then assign the dimension of the sketch. This radius will be 60, that will be 120. Then this vertical height will be 60, then this horizontal length will be 30, again this one 15. Circle distance will be 75. Then right click OK, just trim the unnecessary portion, make one tangent line to the circle, just trim the unnecessary portion again, just assign the dimension, this one 15, then the total length will be 200, this length also 15 approximately. Now right click OK, just trim this arc. Now this length will be 155, just accept. OK, see, it's fully constrained. Then finish sketch, then take extrude command, extrude distance will be 40, then give OK. Select the extrude command using 3D mirror, select the mirror plane, then click OK. See, this portion will be mirrored in this side. Then I just rotate using shift key. Using this face to make the front view sketch, just click the face, just create sketch. Then we will make the inner edge will be a sketched one using project geometry. Draw one circle midpoint of the line, radius will be 20. Just draw one vertical line using trim tool, trim this portion, this portion, this portion, this portion also. Now we have to mirror the sketch this side into this side, I mean opposite side. Just make one construction line, the length will be 40, using 2D mirrors. We have to select the sketch, this one. We have to select the mirror line, this one. Just apply OK. See, this sketch will be mirror in this side. Just give finish sketch. Now we have to create midplane, this face, midplane, this face to this face. Now see, the midplane will be created. The next sketch will be using this plane. Just click sketch, draw one circle. The circle diameter will be 80. The circle distance will be 75. Right click OK. Just click, right click, make this one construction. Now we have to create two tangent lines. Opposite side also make one tangent line. OK. Just this edge will be a sketched one. We want to make this edge will be a sketched one. Just click OK. This side, opposite side also. Just make one horizontal line. Take the trim tool. Use the inner sketch. Outside sketch also. Trim the portion. Now we have assigned the dimension. Click OK. Just give accept. Okay, now we have to make this one construction. This one also construction. Just give finish sketch. Rotate the sketch. Okay. See, the sketches will be an construction one. Just double click the sketch. Rotate. Select the sketch. Make construction. This one also construction. Just finish sketch. Now we have to select the sweep feature. Select the face. Select the sketch. Then we will select the curve. Click OK. Okay, we made a mistake. See, this one will be a sketch one. We want to make this one also a construction one. Select the sketch. Make this one construction. Just click OK. See, now the sketch will be fully blacked. This means the sketch will be fully constrained. Now we take OK. We select the curve. See, click OK. See, the sweep feature fully completed. Now we have to draw the center portion of the diagram. Just we will take, just rotate. Give -75. Minus direction, it means the opposite direction. Just hide the plane. Click the plane. Just create sketch. Just hide others. Give OK. Now we have to create one circle. The radius will be 30. The distance will be 20. Now finish sketch. Just right click, show all. Give extrude, reverse direction. The extrude distance will be 125. Just click OK. Now we have to visible this mirror, visible this plane. Now we hide this plane. Select the plane, then give sketch. This edge will be a sketched one. then make construction also. Now we draw one line at center of the point. Thus the line length will be 30. Take 3-point arc. Thus the arc radius will be also 30. Just complete the sketch. Okay, then give finish sketch. Using revolve, we have to revolve the portion. Just click OK. Just rotate. Okay, now we have to add 3 fillet. The fillet radius will be at 20. This edge, this edge, this edge. See, the 3 edges will be filleted. Now click OK. Now we have to draw the in between rectangle section. So we have created again mid plane. Just I rotate the cube this face, this way. See, the mid plane will be created in the middle of the object. I just hide the plane. Just click create sketch. Make the outer edge will be a visible. Make this one construction. Now take 2-point center rectangle. Okay, select hide others. Now the sketch will be visible. The length will be 50. The height will be 20. The distance will be here from this side 50. Now right click. Okay, again right click, show all. Now give finish sketch. Just rotate. Okay, then give extrude. Select symmetric to this face. Just rotate this face. Okay, one face will be selected. Okay, again we will visible the sketch 16. Same extrude will be in the opposite direction, this way. Okay, we want to cut the interior portion of this object. Same extrude, we will take boolean cut. Now the to this face. See, the inner cut will be done. Then click OK. We will do in the opposite direction. Give extrude, same boolean. Give to face, this face also. Give mirror direction. See, this portion will be cut. Okay. See. Okay, now I hide the plane. Hide this plane also. See that. See, the diagram is fully defined. Now I have to see the inner cut. Just click the off section view. Select this face. Just drag. See, now click OK. See, this will be extrude section from this center point in the opposite direction also. The same extrude using boolean cut, the interior cut will be done successfully. See, the diagram is fully done. We will see in the next video. Please do subscribe and support this channel, and thanks for watching.